Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Daisy Ball. I am a independent paparazzi consultant. I came on here today to tell you about the awesome promotion that our company Paparazzi Accessories is offering for the month of January. So I'm going to start out with the last kit, which is an awesome kit. It's a kit that comes with a convention ticket, and in that kit you get 200 pieces. First of all, Paparazzi is offering free accessories in all the kits. So I'm going to start out again with the last kit, which is the biggest kit, and that kit is $499. Now that kit comes with 200 pieces of accessories plus your marketing material. And for this month, Paparazzi is giving 50 free accessories in that $499 kit. Now you have the second kit, which is $299, and that kit comes with 120 pieces of accessories, and Paparazzi is throwing in 25 free pieces of accessories with that kit. And that kit also comes with marketing material. Now the most popular kit, the kit that I joined with, was the $99 kit. And in that kit comes with 35 pieces of accessories plus your marketing material. And Paparazzi is putting in 5 pieces of accessories in that kit. Now the kit, when I started February 29th, 2016, and I wish I would have joined with the $499 kit because it has way more accessories. When you join, you will definitely sell your accessories really fast. If you invite people over, share the opportunity with everyone also. It's really easy to sell your jewelry. All you have to do is just invite people over or just show people your accessories. Now, if you're interested in joining Paparazzi, all you have to do is go to my website. You can click on the link down below, which is www.paparazziaccessories.com/44896. I would love for you to come and sell jewelry with me. Now this is a set also that I am wearing, but this is actually a fashion fix set. I thought I would throw this in also. This is a fashion fit set that I am wearing for the month of January. So I'm pretty sure they might throw in one of these. I'm not sure, but this in the kits, I believe all 3 kits come with a fashion fix. So okay guys, I want to tell you thank you for viewing my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and share it if you like. All right, until next time, bye bye.